So, hello, good day to everyone. We are the Group 5, and our topic that we will be presenting is all about the digital revolution. So, our topic contains 4 parts. This includes the cybernetics, augmented reality, virtual technology, and Python programming. So, before we proceed to the 4 parts, bigyan lang natin ng konting introduction sa topic natin. So, what is the digital revolution? So, ang digital revolution, it is the shift from mechanical and analog electronic technology to digital electronics as a means of storing, transferring, and utilizing information. So, ang ibig sabihin nito is ito yung transition mula sa paggamit ng mga manual technologies ng mga panahon na yun patungo sa paggamit ng mga digital technologies. So, yung mga manually performed or yung mga manual na makinarya na ginagamit is napalitan ng digital technology. So, it began in the second half of the 20th century with the adoption and proliferation of digital computers and digital storage of information. So, during the 1950s, naging widely accepted ang paggamit ng mga digital technologies such as digital computers at iba pa, and dumami rin yung bilang ng mga gumagamit nito dahil nga sobrang beneficial niya when it comes to work. So, hindi naman sobra, pero mas napapadali niya yung iba't ibang klase ng trabaho kasi kaya niyang mag-provide ng work sa mas mabilis na paraan, and nagpo-provide din siya ng higher accuracy. So, for example na lang nito is yung mga mathematical calculation na dating minamanually calculate, and mas napabilis nung ginamitan na siya ng ENIAC. Ayan, yung mga technology na yan. So, as the times goes by, nag-i-improve pa din yung mga digital technology natin. So, konting trivia tayo, guys. Did you know that the first digital technology ever was invented in the year 1946? It is called Electronic Numerator Integrator and Computer. Or mas kilala to sa tawag na ENIAC. So, may picture tayo dito nito. Papakita ko sa inyo mamaya. And itong invention na to was credited to John Moseley and John Presper Eckert Jr. So, sa pag-usbong ng digital revolution, nagkaroon siya ng major impact sa atin and sa mga sa iba't ibang klase ng mga works. So, naging benefit nito is nagkaroon ng improved performance sa mga quality ng works, and also na-reduce niya yung cost para sa mga materials na ginagamit and also sa labor. Pinagtagal, nagkaroon ng wide acceptance and inadopt din siya ng mga tao ang digital technologies sa everyday life. So, shortly afterwards, they made their way into a wide variety of equipment and consumer goods.
Cybernetics is the study of systems that manage and communicate information, focusing on how control and feedback mechanisms function in both living organisms and machines. It applies to a wide range of fields, including biology, robotics, and system engineering. For the impacts, cybernetics are revolutionized our understanding of system, especially to in context of human-machine interaction. Its impact spans robotics, healthcare, automations, and AI, with a focus on creating adaptive systems that communicate and regulate themselves. For Philippine context about cybernetics. In the Philippines context, cybernetics has become an essential tools for solving key knowledge in healthcare, education, agriculture, and industry, and disaster response by, by leveraging feedback-driven systems and automations. Cybernetic technologies are helping the country address its unique needs, such as improving healthcare access in remote areas, optimizing farming practices, and enhancing industrial productivity.
So, ngayon, pag-usapan naman natin itong augmented reality. So, maybe, narinig nyo na yung term na virtual technology. So, itong augmented reality, halos same lang naman nun. But ang pinagkaiba nila is para magka-opposite sila. So, ano nga ba yung augmented reality? Augmented reality is a type of technology that allows digital images and information to be displayed onto physical environment. So, ang augmented reality daw ay isa siyang uri ng virtual objects na nagdi-display dito sa real world. But maaaring gamit pa rin siya ng mga digital technology. Pwedeng example nito is yung kung alam niyo yung laro dati na nauso, yung Pokemon Go. So, ayun, type siya ng augmented reality kasi gagamitin mo yung camera mo para makita mo rin yung mga virtual na monster dun sa screen. So, ito yung mga virtual object na nakahalo sa real world, sa physical environment. So, pwede din example nito is yung mga hologram, yung mga filter, filter sa IG, filter sa TikTok, or yung mga sounds na ginagamit natin sa mga videos, ganun. So, augmented reality is an enhanced version of the real world, achieved through the use of computer-generated digital information. These include the visual, sound, and other sensory elements. AR uses computer hardware and software such as apps. Ayan, yung apps katulad ng TikTok, kanon, IG, yung mga iba pang games, console, screens, or projection to combine in the digital information with the real world environment. So, pag-usapan din natin kung ano ba talaga pinagkaiban itong dalawa, itong augmented reality and itong virtual technology. So, if hindi ka familiar sa mga terminologies na to and kung ano talaga siya, medyo confusing siya, but explain natin. Katulad nga ng sabi ko kanina, so bali para magka-opposite lang siya, ang augmented reality is tawag dito, nakahalo siya sa physical environment. So, ginagamit nito yung physical environment para mag-project ng mga images dun sa device na gamit natin. So, ang virtual reality naman is gumagamit ka ng device para ikaw yung humalo doon sa virtual world. So, bali ang pinagkaiba nila is ang augmented reality, may kita mo siya sa real world, but ang virtual reality is may kita mo yung sarili mo sa virtual world. So, in simple terms, ganun lang naman siya dali intindihin. So,
Virtual technology is the use of digital tools and systems to create simulated environments enhancing or replacing real world interactions of various applications like gaming, education, healthcare, and more. It includes virtual technology and technologies that enable immersive or interactive experience. What is virtual technology? Virtual technology immerses users in a fully digital environment using virtual technology headsets and motion sensors allowing for interactions a 3D world that is separates from the real one. Augmented enhance the real world environment by overlaying digital content at half of the real world, typically through smartphones or AR glasses. Mixed reality, a hybrid of virtual technology where physical and digital objects consist and interact in real time.
Python programming. So, Python is a computer programming language often used to build websites and software, automated tasks, and conduct data analysis. Python is a general purpose language, meaning it can be used to create a variety of different programs and isn't specialized for any specific problems. This versatility, along with its beginner friendliness, has made it one of the most used programming languages today. So, Python was published on February 1991 by Van Rossum, labeled as version 0.9.0, and Python reached version 1 on January 1994. Python programming language has a total of 32 released versions. 3 of them are unsupported right now, meaning hindi na siya sinusupport ng Python. Those are the versions 1.2, 1.3, and 1.4. And one version, the version 3.14, expected to be released on May 2025. Python is commonly used for developing websites and software, task automation, data analysis, and data visualization. The following are examples of Python programming applications. First is web applications, like YouTube, Spotify, Netflix, and Facebook. Software development, business application, game developments, and many more.
so this is the end of our presentation, and I wanted to thank everyone for joining us to learn the digital revolution in this video. Thanks, guys.